Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm not wearing any lipsticks because you've read the title. I don't really need to introduce it. I've got the Suva Beauty new lipstick collection. I don't know if I kept the card that had the info on it, but it's called Moisture Matte Lipsticks. I remember that, and it's formulated to be hydrating. So I'm gonna try them on and see if they are hydrating and if they transfer and all that stuff and let you know my thoughts. So I received 6 lipsticks. I believe there are 6 in the collection. For some reason I only have 5 in here, so now I gotta find that. What am I even saying? They're all in here, I just can't count. Okay. Also, what are we thinking of this wig? Because I'm really liking the red ombre, and I actually want to dye my hair soon, so I'm thinking of doing some red ombre type of thing, but without blonde on the bottom, or like a copper on the bottom. You know, because spooky season is in town. So, let me know what color I should dye my hair. My mom doesn't watch my videos, thank God, because she would freak out if she knew I was dyeing my hair. But she'll see it eventually, so whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna get to the lipsticks. First of all, this little holographic bag is so cute. There are 6 colors, ranging from like neutral to a funky purple color. Oh, I can't even hold them. I guess I'll cut to like a montage of me trying them on, and then I'll just meet you back at the end. I'll see you then, okay? Alright, bye. So I'm back with sound. I told you I would meet you at the end. I'm just gonna zoom this out a little bit so you're not in my face. That good? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so the last color that I'm wearing right now is called the Unconscious. It's still kind of wet because I just put it on, so I don't think it's fair to do the transfer test yet. I'm gonna wait for it to dry a little bit more. I did swatch these on my arm when I first got them, so I was able to get a little bit of a sense of them, and I was able to smell them, which that was my first impression, was that they actually smelled really good. It's not too strong of a smell though. It's just like a nice subtle, like almost like a powdery, fresh, sugary, I guess. I don't know how to describe it, but it tastes good. Like a brown sugar? No, not brown sugar. I don't know. It's a pleasant smell. They should make a perfume with it because I really like the smell. Anyway, so that was my first impression when I first opened them. I wasn't really able to get a sense of if they're moisturizing because they were on my arm, not my lips. Now I can feel the formula a little bit more, and it actually is pretty moisturizing. Like, it barely feels like it's there. It's like cushiony. Oh my god, it's really good. I didn't even realize until right now when I'm patting my lips together, like, I barely feel it there. By the way, I had to layer this one twice because it was a little bit darker and like a little bit not as opaque as I wanted, so I did layer it twice. And a lot of times with liquid lipsticks, when you layer them twice, they get kind of like sticky. Like when you do that, they kind of stick together. This literally feels like it's not there. It's so thin, but like pretty good coverage. I actually really like this. I didn't even realize how much I liked it until I just tried that. So yeah, they definitely don't feel drying. Like that's, especially, this is like the 6th one I tried on, and I've been rubbing my lips each time. It's been a while since I've done like a swatch video like this, but I remember my lips being like burning by the end of it, and this is like not even dry. Like my lips don't feel dry. What else? I wish I can give more info about what's here. Maybe I'll look it up. Also, I'm trying to buy a little more time before I do the swatch test. The Moisture Matte Liquid Lipstick is formulated for all-day hydration and flexibility. This unique hybrid matte lip formula has the longevity of a liquid lipstick and the comfort of a cream lipstick. I definitely feel the comfort of a cream lipstick, but obviously I'm gonna take this off right after, so I'm not gonna be able to see how long it lasts, but the transfer test will tell me a little more. Its unique properties provide a rich skin feel while preserving uniformity. Definitely a skin feel. If it's what I think it means, like it's barely there and just kind of feels like your skin, that's definitely true. Check. Opaque and kiss proof. I did not test the kiss proof, but I can. He's playing video games, so. Do you want to come here for a second?
Sure.
Can you just give me a quick kiss? It says kiss proof, so.
Hey, pretty.
Oh, lovely. Cough right before. Oh, you have minty breath. Yeah, it didn't come off on you. Okay, I would say kiss proof. Would you say kiss proof?
I think your kiss.
You were trying to make a joke and you can't think of anything.
Yeah, I failed.
What do you think of the lipstick?
I think it looks nice. I think it looks pretty. It looks very like, I mean, it's not natural color.
Natural?
It looks natural.
Okay. I would definitely say they are all opaque. This one is the only one that I had to layer twice because I noticed it was a little see-through and you could still see a little bit right here, but I'm sure I could just cover it up with another layer. One smooth stroke of this brilliant color will last you many meals, multiple coffees, and endless compliments. Okay. It's paraben-free, sulfate-free, and how do you pronounce this? Phthalates-free. I'll just put the word on the screen because I don't know how to pronounce that. Obviously, they're cruelty-free. Suva Beauty's cruelty-free. It says vegan-friendly. I assume that means vegan. And it's 3.5 milliliters, 0.12 fluid ounces of product inside the container. Oh, I forgot to say price. They're $18 each. I think you can get what the PR package was as a whole for $80 if you want to get all 6 of them with the little cute bag that I showed you. So it's been about 10 minutes since I've been wearing this, so I'm going to do a transfer test and we'll see if it transfers. Oh, wow, I actually thought it would transfer because it's like, it feels not dry. Wait, if this actually isn't transfer proof, this might be my favorite this might be my new favorite formula of lipstick. Okay, it's not like actually transfer proof, there's just like very subtle amounts of color, but like barely anything, and also I did apply it like 8 to 10 minutes ago. Wow, I'm really impressed with this and I'm very happy. Yeah, I'm actually really excited and I hope they come out with new colors and like fun colors. I need me some greens, blues, metallics. That would be cool. I'm really excited for Suva Beauty to be branching out into a new category of makeup and I can't wait to see them grow more. So I'm a fan. I like it, and that's my review. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want, and comment below which color was your favorite. I think mine was Imagination, this one. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, now I'm gonna go eat dinner at 12:30 in the morning because I'm horrible at adulting and I took a nap earlier and then I wanted to film this and then I just didn't eat. So my food's cold over there. And I'm gonna go. Okay, bye.